Hey YouTube, this is another airgun video here. Figured my last video got over 9,000 views, 35,000, so just video to update you guys on my new airgun. The last one broke, it got a crack, so I rebuilt it, and I still get comments about my last video, like, oh, do this, do that, like, put a different scope on it, like, no, I can't do that because I destroyed it, it broke. So anyway, I rebuilt it. As you can see, there's no longer the handle and the different fill and the scope and all that. So, because that all broke. So I rebuilt it and now it just looks like this. But it has the same chamber and the same valve. And I still have this bolt action, not even bolt action, whatever, this breech loader on it. And so yeah, and I also got this new pump, which makes it easier for me to put air in this gun really quick. But one thing about this, it does have a small leak right here. So, and also the valve leaks because it's old. But, I don't know, I might patch the leak right here. The valve leaks really slow, so that's not a problem. But, over here, my ammo, still have a couple darts. This is my favorite type of dart from before. It's a nail, and then I heat molded some plastic to make a tail, and these are really accurate. And this dart I call the Crown Royale, just because it looks like it has a crown. But anyway, it's really heavy, and yeah, so, and I have some Nerf darts, and this little teeny dart. So, target over here is some plywood, which has been shot multiple times by my golf ball cannon, which can be seen in other videos. So, without further ado, I'm going to shoot it. First, I'm going to shoot this dart. Dart came apart and it missed the target. That's how inaccurate this gun is. The ball valve, or not an accurate valve at all. Not great to use on an air gun. Anyway, and I had to fire it off quick because I'm losing air like crazy out of here. I'm gonna epoxy that up sometime. Now I'm gonna shoot this dart. And as you can see, it takes very little pumps to fill up my gun. One pump is over 20 psi, so it only takes 4 pumps to get to 60. And 5 more to get to 120, so. You know what, I'm gonna pump it up again because it's losing air. So I'm just gonna load it first so I don't have to waste more time and more air. Alright. Let's try this again. What are you doing? What are you doing?
It's moving on the pressure thing while you pump.
Alright, it's 120. It leaks like a seat, like a sieve up there. But anyway, here we go. weak you can't even puncture the wood. Huh. This is where it hit, right there. It made a little mark on it, but not much. I bet if I sharpen it, it can get in, but I don't feel like doing that. And now I'll shoot a Nerf dart. I'll load it through the back. I've also got a lot of requests to make a tutorial, so that's also something I might be looking into. But there are lots of them on YouTube already, so. So if you're thinking about building one, just look at one of the other tutorials. Some of them aren't that great, but gives you the basic idea, and it's a good place to start off with. Alright, that's 120. I'm just going to shoot this at the fence. And Nerf dart. Those go pretty fast. I'd say muzzle velocity probably somewhere in the 300s, but it's so light, 300 FPS. I'm gonna shoot one more Nerf dart. So, pretty much wrap it up now, so just want to update you guys so you can stop complaining about my other video. It was getting really annoying. So anyway, if you have any questions, comments, whatever, just not, oh, that thing is stupid, or you're gay, or something like that. Don't do that, because I know where you live, and I'm gonna come kill you with it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.